Hey everyone, this lesson is about simplifying rational numbers. We're going to use the method of prime factorization, and prime factorization is a fancy way to say breaking a number into its smallest prime pieces, and here's what it means. So a prime number is a number that has factors only of 1 in itself, like 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. There's many more. Those are a few examples. A composite number has more than 2 factors. So like 6 has factors of 1, 2, 3, and 6. When we use prime factorization to help us simplify rational numbers, we're going to need to understand what prime numbers are. Let's try an example. We're going to break the number 24 into its prime factors, or its tiniest factors. So first of all, we know we can divide by 2. 2 multiplied by 12 gives us 24, so we have one prime factor here. And we know we can divide this again by 2. Another prime factor there. And again, 6 is composite, so we know we can go 2 and 3. So another way to write 24 in its smallest pieces would be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And if we check with our calculator, that will give us 24. Let's look at a bigger number. So again, we're looking at this. It's not even, but maybe we can divide it by 3, which would give us 41. And we know that 3 is prime, and 41 is also prime. So the prime factors here would be 3 multiplied by 41. I've taken the time to prime factorize these two parts of the equation, so let's have a look at what we have. Once we have them broken up like this, we can cancel out some of the numbers. A 2, a 2, a 2, a 2, a 2, a 2, and the 3's. So that leaves us with, we've canceled out all the factors up top, so that's a 1, and a 2 on the bottom, so that 24 over 48 is equal to 1/2.